Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix 1403 check ink error on Canon Pixma printers. This is probably gonna fix on other models as well, but this is the printer that I have right now. So how did the issue happen? I refilled the cartridge, I put it back, I got this error. I cleaned it, I cleaned the head, I made sure it has enough ink in it, I made sure it is not dry, the head is not dry. None of them fixed it. I cleaned the connection, it didn't fix it. I did a lot of research on it until I found this very easy solution. So let's see how to fix it. Open the cartridge door. In my case, this is the black cartridge, which I refilled and started showing error. So how am I going to fix it? What tools do I need? This is going to be so easy. And just a tiny tape, tiny bit. You're gonna cut it. Make sure you don't cut the big size. This is how much I got. Now, when you put the cartridge, holding it upside up, basically, you're gonna see there is this single connection up at the corner. There's a double one, there's a single one. If you have a different cartridge, I think it is still going to be the corner one. You might have to try on two connections. In my case, this is the upper left, which is doing the error communication. I cover it with this tape, and this is the covered one. So I'm just going to simply plug it back, close the door, wait for it to move back. You can see it does not show the error anymore. So to test it, I've already put a paper, printed paper, in the scanner. And I'm going to copy a black and white page. You're going to see that head alignment is necessary, but I'm going to continue printing. I'm going to hit OK. The printer is going to start printing with no errors, no issues, and this fixed my problem. I hope this is going to be helpful for you guys as well.